A great tactical knife delivers reliability, durability, and versatility for any situation. Designed for precision and strength, these knives offer razor-sharp blades, ergonomic grips, and rugged construction. Perfect for survival, self-defense, or everyday tasks, they ensure maximum performance when you need it most. In this video, we recommend the 7 best tactical knives. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. The Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is a reliable tool built for everyday use in tough tasks. With an overall length of 7.1 inches and a 3.1-inch blade, it's compact yet powerful. Weighing just 3.5 ounces, it offers a lightweight design without sacrificing strength. The blade is crafted from 7cr17 MOV black oxide high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring durability and sharpness. Its black aluminum handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, making it easy to handle in various situations. For quick access, the knife includes a pocket clip, finger flipper, and ambidextrous thumb knobs, perfect for both left and right-handed users. The liner lock guarantees that the blade stays securely in place, preventing any accidental slips. Additionally, the knife features jimping serrations, offering extra versatility for various cutting tasks. This folding knife is a dependable, efficient tool for anyone who values quality craftsmanship and practical design. Number 6. Tac-Force TF705 Folding Knife Series. The Tac-Force TF705 Folding Knife Series is designed with versatility and reliability in mind. Crafted from high-quality 3cr13 rainbow T-Night coated stainless steel, it offers an excellent balance of hardness and corrosion resistance. This knife is made to meet the demanding needs of police, fire, and rescue professionals, ensuring durability in tough environments. With a 3.25-inch drop point partially serrated blade and an overall length of 7.75 inches, it's compact yet powerful. It delivers razor-sharp cutting performance, making it ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, hunting, fishing, and survival situations. Equipped with a finger flipper, blade cutout, pocket clip, and a black aluminum handle, this knife offers excellent functionality. The liner lock ensures safe blade deployment, while the built-in glass punch and bottle opener enhance its utility in emergencies. The Tac-Force TF705 is a dependable, multi-purpose knife designed to tackle various outdoor and DIY tasks with ease. Number 5. Swiss Safe 3-in-1 Tactical Knife. The Swiss Safe 3-in-1 Tactical Knife is an essential tool for military personnel and first responders. With a compact 5-inch folded length, it's easily portable and includes a convenient pocket clip for multiple attachment options. The spring-assisted blade allows for one-handed operation, providing a secure and efficient opening when needed most. Constructed with a solid steel superstructure and lightweight milled aluminum handles, the knife offers long-lasting durability and a perfect weight balance. The built-in safety liner lock ensures the blade stays securely in place when open, preventing accidental injury during use. For emergencies, the knife features a glass breaker tip and seatbelt cutter, enabling quick access for first responders or individuals in distress. To close the blade safely, simply push on the liner lock and fold the blade with ease, ensuring no risk of accidental closure. This versatile, dependable knife is designed to tackle a wide range of tasks, making it a must-have for emergency situations and outdoor use. Number 4. Snake-Eye Tactical Folding Pocket Knife. The Snake-Eye Tactical Everyday Carry Assist Style Folding Pocket Knife is a compact and efficient tool for daily use. When open, it has an overall length of 9 inches, making it large enough for tough tasks while still being portable. The 3.85-inch stainless steel hawbill blade is exceptionally sharp, ensuring reliable performance for cutting and slicing. With an approximate 5-inch aluminum handle, the knife is lightweight yet durable, providing a secure grip during use. For easy carrying, it includes a belt clip, allowing for quick and discreet access when needed. The knife is easily concealed, making it ideal for everyday carry without drawing attention. Please note, this item is very sharp and must be handled with care to avoid injury. This folding pocket knife is a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable, sharp, and portable tool for various tasks. Number 3. Master USA MUE 002 Series Spring Assisted Folding Knife. Master USA MUE 002 Series Spring Assisted Folding Knife is a reliable tool with a sleek design. It features a 3.5-inch drop-point fine-edge blade, offering precise cutting performance for various tasks. With an overall length of 8.5 inches, the knife provides ample size for handling while remaining compact enough for easy carry. The injection-molded ABS handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip during use, even in challenging conditions. For safety, the liner lock mechanism keeps the blade securely in place while open, preventing accidental closure. The pocket clip allows for convenient and discreet carrying, ensuring quick access when needed. This folding knife combines practicality, durability, and a sharp blade for everyday use and outdoor tasks. Number 2. Kershaw Appa Folding Tactical Pocket Knife. Kershaw Appa Folding Tactical Pocket Knife is perfect for everyday carry. Weighing just under 2 ounces, it's lightweight yet sturdy, ideal for tasks like cutting tape, boxes, and rope. The 2.75-inch black reverse tanto blade features a razor-sharp edge for efficient cutting. Cutouts in the handle keep the knife light while maintaining strength and durability. Speed-safe assisted opening ensures easy, one-handed operation with the flipper. A liner lock securely holds the blade in place when open. It includes a reversible pocket clip and lanyard hole for multiple carrying options. When open, it measures 6.5 inches, making it a compact and practical tool. Number 1. ARTISANCUTLEry Tactical Knife. The ARTISANCUTLEry Tactical Knife proponent is built to withstand tough conditions. Crafted with D2 steel and a black PVD-coated blade, it offers excellent durability and resistance to wear. The unique Wharncliffe blade shape makes it an ideal choice for tactical use and a highly effective large EDC knife. Its G10 handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, while the full liner construction enhances strength. The liner lock provides added security, keeping the blade in place during use. This knife is temperature-resistant, water-resistant, and non-reactive, making it reliable in various environments. With a compact size, it is easy to carry without compromising on performance. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.